to stop the production at that point. So we have to find a stop codon. So where's our stop codon? Alright, TAG, tagged, alright. So TAG, that's our stop codon. Stop making the protein. Remember, this is our DNA sequence. Now what you have to do, so this is one strand. Remember, there's another strand above here. So the first job you have to do is, what would your, right, we'll just call it out. What would the other strand, the DNA strand, consist of? What would it be? Opposite T? A, T, right. What I want you to do is, right, we're making a protein. If we were just replicating the DNA, the two strands would split apart and A, T, G and C would jump in. But we're not. This time we're making a protein. So RNA bases pop in. So I want you to make a sequence of RNA. So the sequence of RNA. Put them together. Put together your sequence of RNA there. Now remember, this is RNA, it's ribonucleic acid because it has a uracil instead of a thymine. And it's this strand which will now be called messenger RNA because it carries the message to the ribosome. That's why it's called messenger RNA.
Sir, does uracil go with T?
Uracil goes with A. Right, so what's my sequence? T goes with T. A. A, G, G. A, and C. And U, A, and C. So that's the only difference between RNA and DNA. Instead of a thymine, you have a uracil. So this RNA sequence, have you got that done? This RNA sequence separates from the DNA. I can rub this out now. And so it has been transcribed. So you took that down already. Transcribed means copied. Remember you did transcribing in primary school? Copy that down from the book. Transcribed. It's copied, so it has been copied to RNA. So it's transcription. Right, the final step is, the next step is translation. So this goes out into the cytoplasm and you have big ribosome sitting here. Alright, so what it comes along, the messenger RNA enters the ribosome and it reads the first triplet. And what does this triplet stand for? Start. So the ribosome knows now to start assembling protein. Right, so ribosome knows to start. The next one is AAC from your copies. Leucine. So it will pick up leucine amino acid and from the cytoplasm and put it in order. Next of all, it will read the next triplet. And this is code for? Serine. and it will pick the amino acid from the cytoplasm and stick it in order. So we've leucine, serine. It will read the next triplet, proline. It will find a proline amino acid and it will attach it together, and then it comes to a stop codon. Alright, so we've assembled our 3 amino acids, and what the ribosome will do is the ribosome will then release, as soon as it sees the stop codon, it will release that protein into the ribosome, release the protein into the cytoplasm. Protein has been assembled. Now that is called translation. Translating messenger RNA into protein production is translation. Alright? Transcription is copying from DNA to messenger RNA. Translation is the reading of the messenger RNA and production of protein. Right. Write down translation. Did you understand that? Doesn't get any harder than that. Translation. Messenger RNA is read. By the ribosome. The ribosome assembles amino acids. I'll write that better. The ribosome reads each triplet from the messenger RNA. And assembles amino acids.
So what does that protein do in the cytoplasm then?
Sorry?
What does that protein do in the cytoplasm?
The protein. Well, that protein will then,
Is it
depends on
used
what cell it is.
by- Is it used by the body like?
So let's say it was a nail cell. It was a nail, going to become a nail cell. So you have keratin. So it could be the production of keratin. Could be the production. It could be producing melanin. Any protein that the body, that cell requires.
But the body uses that protein in
Yeah, the body will use that protein. Yeah. What do you use protein for?
gains.
Games. For growth and repair. Right, translations. The messenger is read by the ribosome. The ribosome reads each triplet from the messenger RNA and assembles the amino acid. The assembled amino acid is a protein. If you want to write that next, the assembled amino acid is a protein. So remember, transcription is copying DNA to messenger RNA. Translation is reading the messenger RNA by the ribosome and making a protein. Now, when the protein is made, it folds into a particular shape. What's the name of the proteins? Histones will fold the protein into a particular shape. Right. Alright, to do a bit of reading yourselves, so you have to do question 7. I probably told you to do for the weekend, really. Question 7 to 17, 18, 19,
70.
Yeah. So 7 up to 20. Alright, you can pack up and off you go. Is there anybody missing today?
7 to what?
20. Who's missing? Tansy. Is that it? Yeah. Dylan Duffy and Tansy. Should be here. Where is he?
He's at the.
Well, he should be here, so. Quick as you can.
No, it's Ken. Where was today?
Where's your